participant, a very warm greetings to all our viewers. What an year end we had. We had the entire drama which played out on the expiry day. So, good thing is that we got a day break and it was a long weekend. I hope all of you have recharged and rejuvenated during that long weekend and ready for facing the coming week. So, with that, let's start our session. A very good morning to you, Hussain. How are you doing?
Very good morning, sir. Very good morning.
So we did not do the last week video. Let's quickly do a recap and more important, look at the outlook for the coming week.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We missed last week. We'll just do a quick replay. And we had met on 18th of March for that week. I'm just covering that price action. So we see what we had and what we had assumed at that time. Okay. So based on the price action that we had at that time, we had said that, you know what, this is not a triangle. And we are going towards more based on the rules of NeoWave towards a diametric pattern. We had also said ki we are not terminating this G leg which we had placed over here because in order to terminate this, I need to see a thrust to the upside. And generally, say in a diametric pattern, jo last leg hota hai, that forms some kind of pattern. Okay?
Yes.
So based on that, we had said we are not terminating the G leg. We are in a diametric pattern. We will see what happens in the coming week. I am going to switch off the replay to see the price action that we had. Okay. So ये अभी जाने देते हैं. I will bring this. Okay. So what we saw is कि the price action in the week of 18th March had broken this prior swing low. Okay. So in essence, this wave, and I'll switch off the candles here. I am saying that this wave over here engulfed the prior low. Whenever we have an engulfing wave, we know that something new has started based on NeoWave rules. Okay?
Yes.
So I'm going to switch on the candles over here. We saw an engulfing wave and then we saw a retracement of that engulfing wave. In NeoWave, we require two legs to know what the third one is going to do.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I'm going to take a simple Fibo tool, mark the high and till the basically the start point of the engulfing wave to the end point of the engulfing wave. Why am I doing this? Is because I want to see the price retracement of this leg. I know this leg that has gone up and I'm just switching off the candle so that you can see the wave and not, it doesn't get all mixed up. The price action of this wave has gone subdivided. In our past videos, we have said that whenever the price action is subdivided, we know it is a corrective wave. So seeing this wave, I'm 100% sure, I have no doubt in my mind, that this leg is retracing this engulfing wave. So in essence, kya ho jata hai, sir? This becomes my wave A of this pattern. This becomes my wave B, and I will look for a wave C to the downside. Because minimum 3 legs to हमें मिलता ही है. जब ये, this price action moves ahead, then we will decide whether this will be 3 legs or 5 legs. Okay?
Correct.
Based on information right now, I can see only 2 legs. I can say what will happen for the third.
Can you just move that rectangle for the?
Oh, I'm sorry, it's disturbing.
Yeah. Go ahead. That's better. Yeah.
Okay. So we can see that this retracement that has happened almost made a new high, right?
Yes.
Our high was 526, 22,526. We went up till 22,510, I believe.
Yes, so
to be exact.
15 point less. Yeah.
Right. About, jo bhi, 15-16 point kam tha. Sir, whenever the retracement of this engulfing leg, that is this retracement, is more than 81% and has taken more time than this engulfing wave,
right,
it is the recipe of a flat pattern.
Yeah.
Okay. As of right now on my screen, I have a strong B wave because it is retraced more than 81%, but it is just under 100%. Okay.
Yeah.
We have always done our forecast on 2 principles. One is continuation and one is reversal. My first case will be continuation. Yes, in the last half an hour, we had a massive, drop to the downside. But, it was 3 monthly expiry. So maybe something was happening that I'm not, going to discuss that right now. Let us just take what we have on our chart. I have a strong B wave. A strong B wave can go up to 138.2% of the A leg. Okay?
Yep.
Please keep in mind.
And just for the viewers, these rules of the flat are very well explained in Glenn Neely's book, so you can always refer there. And we have
Absolutely,
shown you a practical demonstration of how those rules are unfolding in the real market.
Absolutely, sir.
Yep.
So my first case, which is on basis of continuation, I want to see that is the B leg terminated or will it continue? If it continues, what is its potential?
Yeah.
So as a first potential, I can say that yes, it has to be more than 100% of the A leg. When I
Correct.
say more than 100% of A leg, I mean it can go above 20 to 526. It has that potential. And it can even go up to 22,842. Yes,
Right.
the range is higher, but this is a flat pattern that we are dealing with. So anything over 100% is where I would, keep a watch on momentum. My second case is based on the information I have on my chart. Let us assume that yes, the B leg is only a strong B leg. Then what can I expect for the C leg? When the B leg is between 81 and 100%, the C leg has a very good chance of retracing this entire B leg.
Right. Right.
Okay, so that would be my two cases on Nifty. One for
So that could
continuation.
be there, the B leg, you would call it as a normal B. And then
Absolutely, sir.
he can retrace it completely.
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah.
So I've written it here. Case
Yeah.
2, I'm taking it as a normal B leg.
Yes. Yes.
Whenever we have a normal B leg in a flat, the C leg has a good chance of retracing the entire leg that has been, that we have. That would be 21,710 के आसपास ये retest कर सकता है. Okay. I will switch to Bank Nifty. We will do the same thing, sir. We'll just hit our replay button until 18. This is where we had met. At this point of time, based on the information we had on our screen, we had taken the count like this. Reason being is up to this point, my triangular formation was still alive, right? The rules were still being followed.
Right.
We had also put a disclaimer here. It was more like a case two that if we go below 45,841, which is, the cardinal rule in a triangle, is wave C can never be the shortest among wave A, C, and E. That's how we recognize triangles, right? All three categories. Wave C cannot be the shortest. As soon as this price action went below 45,841 and we went to 45,828, my triangular assumption was nullified, right? And we had written it over here that if we go below 45,841, this count is invalidated.
Yep.
So I'm just moving this back here. I will switch off the replay and we will see what we have for this week. So this structure, if you have a close attention to this structure, it is very similar as what we have seen in Nifty. The difference is, and I'm simply taking the Fibo tool again. Okay, I'll just adjust my chart for easy viewing. We can say it has gone over 61%,
Right.
the retracement. In essence, as of right now, based on the information on my chart, I have a weak B wave. Okay. My case one will always be for continuation. We want to see whether this is, it intends to continue its movement to the top side. And we will keep a watch on that, whether it becomes a normal B wave. For a normal B wave, it has to go above 80%, which is 47,721. Okay, that is the upside that I would look for in the coming week.
Yeah.
My case two is taking it as it is. I have a weak B wave. If that is so, wave C has a very good chance of retracing the entire B leg, which would be something like this.
Yep.
And that means that we will retest the 45,828 low that we had made over here. It has a good support at 45,647.
Right.
This would be my two cases on the Bank Nifty.
Great. Yeah. So looks good. I think both the indices seem to be forming a flat pattern. on a daily time frame, and you need to look for both continuation or retracement. And as we have said many times on this channel, in neo wave you look at two waves completion to then forecast for the third wave. So we will know what's going to happen based on this current wave, which we are calling the B wave of the flat. Where does it stop? Whether it forms a weak wave, as in Bank Nifty, if it stops here, or normal B wave, as in Nifty, if it stops here and comes down, or it continues and then the weak wave turns to normal or the stronger B wave. If it turns into stronger B wave, then we don't expect the complete retracement of uh, the B wave. If it becomes either normal or weak, then you may see a complete retracement of the B wave, which means it will test the swing lows, which both Nifty and Bank Nifty formed. So it may test 21,700 odd on Nifty and 45,800 to 600 on Bank Nifty. But if it continues and forming a stronger wave, then it may not retrace that completely, and we will end up somewhere in between, uh, ending the retracement. So with that, we will close this video. All of you have a great trading week ahead. And if you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it, and so also share with your friends who you think may be interested in this neo wave and the Elliott wave analysis. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.